In this edition of Teacher Tryits for Language Structures, we're looking at a model lesson from the Florida Center for Reading Research. This is actually a lesson they have prepared about building sentences. They have it listed under comprehension, but when you are building a sentence, you are also learning not just how we mean something, but that invisible structure of syntax that goes into how we build a sentence. What's really nice about this activity, you'll see, is that they've added shapes to the parts of the sentence that are functional. So the subject is going to be in a triangle, the verb is going to be in an oval shape, the function words are in another shape. And then we have another square there around what ends up being the object or another what or where in the sentence. Really, you're helping kids start to have an awareness of the pieces that go into building a sentence. So the point isn't to memorize that the triangle represents something, but it just helps you distinguish as you're playing the game, as you're thinking through the categories of what goes into a sentence. It supports your comprehension during that exercise. So let me show you how this is meant to be done. You see that I've converted this into a Jamboard. And we have categories. So you would start off with what makes a sentence, a subject and a predicate, or a who and a do. You have a who or a what that's doing it, and then you have it something that they're doing. Okay, so we're going to look at our sentence here, or our categories. Let's pull up and see who we are thinking about. We're thinking about Sally. Okay, what about Sally? Do we need to know something about Sally? Do you have questions? We just know that it's Sally. What is Sally doing? Let's pull up the do. Our verb is going to be the do. That's the action. We have Sally swims. Sally swims. Is that a complete thought? Could we just say, Sally swims? Sally swims. We could. It's got a subject and a predicate. It has a who and a do. This is a complete idea. It's very simple, it's very direct, and that's okay. But do we still have questions? We might want more information. We could end it here, but we might want to know, where's Sally swimming? Do you want to know where? Is she swimming at a lake? Is she swimming in a swimming pool? Let's find out. Let's bring up our next word. Oh, this is beach. Sally swims beach. Wait, is that how we would say it? Sally swims beach, Sally swims pool, Sally swims pond. No, that's not how. How would we say that? We would have a few more words. A few more words. I wonder if we put beach up here, does that help? Sally beach swims. No, that didn't help, did it? Let's move beach a little bit further this way. We might have some words in between that help. Sally swims. Let's try a function word and see if there's a word in between that helps us figure out the meaning. Oh, this might help. This word is at. Sally swims at. Sally swims at beach. Oh, we still need another word, don't we? Sally swims at the beach? Maybe. Let's see if that's what's coming up. Let's bring up the, oh, you were right. Sally swims at the beach. Okay, Sally swims at the beach. Is that a complete thought? It definitely is, because we have the who, we have a do, and now we have even more information. We know where. Sally swims at the beach. What does every complete sentence need? Punctuation. Where does that punctuation go? This is a period. Does it go here? Does it, oh no, let's put swims back. Does it go here? No, it goes at the end to remind us that we have a complete thought. This is a statement or a question? This is a statement. Sally swims at the beach. We know for sure that's what's happening. You might ask additional questions. You could say, what words are telling us what she's doing? You could ask it that way. And then you would have to get to, oh, swims. What words are telling us where she's doing it? And you would want kids to reply, at the beach. What word is telling us who is doing it? Sally. So you can keep playing with that dialogue where first you build it, then you read it, then you pull back again.